In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement work breakdown structure in Smartsheet. A work breakdown structure, or WBS, helps you organize a project into manageable pieces by breaking big deliverables into smaller tasks, then subtasks. Smartsheet makes this easy with a clean table you can shape to your needs and a simple way to create parent-child relationships. Start by opening Smartsheet and heading to the home screen. From here, choose Start a new project, program, or process. You'll land on the creation page. You may see role-based template options under areas like company management. These are helpful when you want to jumpstart, but for a clean, teachable WBS, we'll start from scratch. Select the option to begin with a new workspace starting point, then choose Table. This gives you a blank sheet, perfect for building a WBS that matches your project's structure. Once the table opens, click on the primary column header. Rename this column to task name, then apply your change. This column will serve as the backbone of your WBS, listing deliverables and the tasks beneath them. Clear, consistent naming helps a lot, so consider short, action-oriented titles that make each item unmistakable. From here, you can add more columns and rows based on what you need. Many teams like to include columns such as owner, start, finish, or status, but only add what you'll actually use. A simple, focused false sheet is easier to keep up to date and more reliable for reporting. Click into the first row and type the highest level deliverable or project phase you want to track. Press enter to move down and continue listing your major components. Think of these as the parent buckets that will hold related work. When you're ready to add detail, select the row that should become a child of its parent and click the right arrow to indent it. Indenting turns the selected row into a child task and creates a clear hierarchy. Repeat this to break work down as far as necessary, one level at a time. You can add more rows at any point, then indent them to nest underneath the correct parent. If something is too granular or not granular enough, simply adjust by editing the task names or changing which items are indented. As you build, pause occasionally to scan for duplicates or missing pieces. A good WBS fully captures scope without describing how to do the work in step-by-step detail. When your structure feels complete and readable, you've got a solid foundation for scheduling, assignments, and tracking in Smartsheet. Save your sheet and you're ready to proceed.